Hi guys, it's me again. So today I am going to do two reviews, but they're going to be in separate videos. So recently there have been two YouTubers that I've been really into recently. That is the K-pop dance group East2West from Canada and Edward Villa. Edward Villa is going to be in the next video because the video I'm gonna watch is not like released yet, so right now I'm gonna do East2West. What East2West does is that they do all these K-pop covers, and recently I've been into the song Yacht by J Park, and according to their Instagram stories, they've been like showing like the behind the scenes that they've been working on this. And so I see a bit of a snippet of it and all that. And so they just released their music, like, dance cover video today. And so I'm here to check it out. Now, before we go to the video, I have to say that, like the Joey Graceffa one I did before with the reactions, I'm not gonna do the video on the corner and then my reaction, so you're not able to see it but you're able to hear it. Excuse me, because I don't have like the software anymore to have it, so it's gonna be like a voiceover, or aka the Berlizzi Exposed style. And further ado, let's go on with the video, but first I'm gonna touch up myself. This is kind of random, so excuse me about this. With some rainbow highlighter. Yes, the cheap highlighter from First One, but this is really good. Sorry if it doesn't look like highlighter, but it actually, the effect is like really better in the camera. But anyway, let's get into the review, or the reaction. Classic intro there. Oh, they actually made it pretty quick in this. They went straight through the video. I thought there would actually be more male dancers. I thought there were like 4 male dancers in the background. I was kind of shocked about like Selwyn being J Park. I thought it would be like someone else, but the thing is, wait, I need to pause. The thing is that he was studying in 1 Million dance studio, where it was like that famous K-pop dance studio where all like the K-pop choreographers were, and even like K-pop stars were. And so I think that's why he probably got the role. But yeah, I kind of don't see that. But like, no offense to him, he is a good dancer. I didn't know the girl dancers were like not as quote-unquote tomboyish. I thought they'd be wearing shorts. I was shocked that Miska could do Sexy, the one in the middle. She's amazing, this too. Oh, this is.
guys, they're kind of sissies for like wearing shorts. Like y'all could just wore the bodysuit like a leotard. Come on, do it. Hey! Yo, they did it! Oh, there are the two girls that wear the shorts. Lori, oh, I forgot the name of the other girl. I know the one on the right, that's Lori Lowe, I believe. Everybody's in it. I actually thought when the four girls were dancing that he would be there on the bench. Yeah. What in the world is that? Alright, that's the end of that.
That was the end of the video. I thought it was really good. They are my favorite K-pop dance group so far, so I do expect that from them. But if you guys like this one, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in part 2, which is coming up really soonly. If you already did see part 1, I should have said this before. I'll put the link down below, so I'll see you there.